Imagine Kofi visits a clinic in Kumasi, then a hospital in Accra, and later a pharmacy in Tamale. Each place had its own computer system with Kofi's health info, like his malaria history or his allergies. Now, what if those systems could talk to each other, sharing Kofi's details instantly? That interoperability, getting different health systems to work together smoothly so doctors, nurses, and pharmacists can see the full picture of a patient's care, no matter where they are. In simple terms, it's like making all the phones in Ghana use the same network so they can call and text each other without trouble. In healthcare, it means systems sharing patient information quickly and clearly to help people like Kofi get better care. Levels or types of interoperability. Interoperability isn't just one thing, it happens in layers, like building a house. Here are the four main types. 1. Technical interoperability. Systems can send data to each other. Example, a clinic in Tamale emails AMA's test result to a hospital in Accra. It's just moving data. It doesn't mean the hospital can understand it yet. 2. Syntactic interoperability. Systems agree on how data looks, like using the same format. Example, Kwame's X-ray from who arrives in Kumasi in a format the hospital system can open. It's readable, but the meaning might still differ. Semantic interoperability. Systems understand the data the same way. Address fever record means the same thing to her doctor in Cape Coast and her pharmacist in Takrady. Everyone is on the same page. This need this needs shared definition, which can be tricky to set up. Organizational interoperability. Whole organization work together, sharing processes and goals. A rural clinic, a regional hospital, and a pharmacy in Ghana Health Service all link up to care for Kofi, agreeing on how to share and use his information. Everyone has to want to collaborate. It's more than just tech. Think of it like a team. Technical gets the ball rolling. Syntactic passes it clearly. Semantics scores the goal. And organizational wins the game together. Standards. The rules that make it work. For interoperability to happen, everyone needs to follow the same playbook. Those are standards. They are like traffic rules for health data. Here are some key ones. 1. Vocabulary standards. Words and codes everyone uses. For example, ICD-10 says malaria is coded as B50 everywhere, so AMA's diagnosis is clear across systems. Content standards. 2. How data is organized. HL7 sets a format so Kwame's lab results look the same whether sent from Bolgatanga or Accra. 3. Transport standards. How data travels. DICOM lets X-ray zip between machines, like address scan moving from a clinic to a specialist. 4. Privacy standards. Keeping information safe. Rules like HIPAA from the US but inspiring Ghana to protect Kofi's details from praying eyes. 5. Identifier standards. Unique tags. An MP gives AMA EMPI gives AMA a special ID so her records don't get mixed up with another AMA's. These standards are like common language. Without them, systems would babble and confuse each other. Advantages of interoperability. When interoperability works, It is a big win for healthcare in Ghana. 1. Faster info. Dr. Mensah in Kumasi can see Ame's full history from Accra instantly, no delays. 2. Fewer mistakes. No retyping Kwame's details means less chance of errors, like mixing up his dose. 3. Better decisions. With all address info in one view, a doctor can pick the best treatment, not guess. 4. Safer care. Systems can warn about allergies or drug clashes, like stopping Kofi from getting a medicine he's sensitive to. 5. Saves time. Nurses don't waste hours chasing paper records. They get it all digitally. 6. Helps communities. Sharing data can spot trends, like a malaria spike in Tamale, so health leaders act fast. It's like giving healthcare a superpower. Everything flows and patients win. Challenges of interoperability. But it's not all smooth sailing. Old systems. The first one. Many clinics use outdated computers that don't talk to new ones, like trying to connect a flip phone to WhatsApp. 2. Data mess. Kofi's info might be in different formats across systems, needing time and skill to clean up and match. 3. Privacy worries. Sharing Ames records risk leaks. Strong security is a must but costly. 4. Agreement issues. Hospitals and clinics might not want to share or follow the same rules. Everyone needs to play nice. 5. Tech costs. Setting up fast internet and new systems in rural Ghana takes serious money. 6. Training gaps. Staff like nurses and clerks need to learn these systems, which takes effort. It's like building a bridge. Great when done, but the construction is tough. Interoperability in Ghana. Imagine Kwame walks into a clinic in Ho. His record from Tamale pops up because the systems are linked. His doctor sees his past malaria, prescribes meds, and the pharmacy in Ho gets the order. All seamless. That's the dream. Ghana is working on it with tools like Lightwave eHealth, connecting regions, but slow internet in places like the Upper East and old setups in some hospitals slow things down. Interoperability is like linking all Ghanaians market, Kumasi Kijitia, Accra Makola, and Tamale, Ababo, so goods or health info. To be specific, flow freely. The levels build from basic data swap to full teamwork. Standards keep it clear and safe. The advantage is better care, fewer errors, make lives better. Power challenges like tech gaps push us to innovate. For Kofi, Ama and Ajwa, it means healthcare that's faster, smarter, and close to home.